For today's video guys, try natin mag-withdraw sa apps na to guys. Susubukan natin itong apps na to kung legit ba or fake. Mag-try tayo dito mag-withdraw guys. Tama guys, may 800 ako na balance na pwedeng ma-withdraw. Kaya subukan natin kung darating ba or hindi. So withdraw na natin yung 800 guys. 24 hours siya mag-process. So dito guys, may balance pa tayo sa coins. Pwede natin itong isama sa withdrawal. Tara. So sa apps na to guys, wala kang ilalabas na pera kahit piso. Wala. Dahil libre lang to. Tignan muna natin guys kung anong update sa ating withdrawal. So ito guys, in process pa lang siya guys. So, may unang na withdraw na pala ako dito guys, itong 72.5. So hintayin natin yung withdrawal natin guys. After 2 hours guys, na-receive ko na yung withdrawal ko guys. Bye guys, thank you for watching.